everyone, myself Mamata and welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Pathshala. In this class we are going to learn about Seaborn. So Seaborn is a Python data visualization library which is based on Matplotlib. Okay, so it provides a very high level interface for drawing more attractive and informative statistical graphs. It is used to visualize random distributions. So it is basically used to visualize how randomly the data is distributed. So it is more comfortable in handling panel data frames when compared to Matplotlib. It is efficiently works with data frames and arrays. So it uses the basic set of methods to provide beautiful graphs in Python. So it is used to visualize the distribution of data. So that's what it do. So let's import it using this import statement. Import Seaborn as SNS, and we are importing Matplotlib also. So based on our use, we'll use whatever we want. Okay, so I'm importing Matplotlib and Seaborn, and then we have some inbuilt datasets. So I'm not creating any datasets over here. I'm just utilizing it and plotting some graphs so that you can easily visualize the data, how it is. Okay, these are the inbuilt datasets I have. So in this for example, I'm taking this tips dataset. This is a very small dataset. You can see the data also with the help of tips.head. I have loaded the dataset. You know this, right? Yeah. And this is the data, how it looks. Okay, total bill, tip, sex, smoker, day, time, size. So this is the data it has. So the first thing I'll do is I'll simply draw a line plot, which is used to represent the multi-data variable relationship with varying size of a line to be plotted. Relationship between x and y. X is a total bill and y is a tip. So data is the data set that we are using. Okay, so let's see how this is plotted. This plots a simple line. Line plot will draw a simple line using these two variables, which shows the relationship between these two variables. We can change the color of this line also. Okay, if I give ascent, set palette, yeah, it came as green, right? That also we can do multiple things, but for example I am showing one thing. And coming to ScatterPlot, ScatterPlot represents the data in terms of dots. Okay, so this is how the data is distributed. So here it draw a line. Here the data is distributed in terms of dots. If I want any more things, so if I want to check based on apply any condition like bill and total bill, right? If I want to check on which day how the total bill is and how much tip we got, so where is that day, right? So if I give hue as day, so let's see what happens. Got it, right? So if I give hue, so based on this it will group. That means it given a separate color for each and every day. This is how it happens. So we can visualize the data. So how the data is, by seeing we can come to one conclusion, right? So that and all we can do using ScatterPlot. And we have some categorical plots also. So a categorical plot is used when we have to visualize relationship between two variables in which one is a categorical variable. So I'll use a bar plot. So bar plot, what it will do, it will represent the data categorical variable in as a bar. So I'm taking an iris dataset over here and creating a bar plot for species and sepal length. Sepal length is a numerical value and species is a categorical variable. Okay, So how it is? So this x-axis is a categorical variable and y-axis is a numerical variable, and the data is represented in terms of bar. So this is bar graph, and we have some other plot, that is CountPlot, which is used to show the counts of observations. So species, I just given the x-axis, right? So how count of species it will give. So how many it is? It is 40, 50 for each and everything. So in the data we can check, I think species, oh sorry, it is some other data set, right? Okay, species. So out of the whole data we have each quantities of species. So this is how the data and the variables, all these variables and all you can see. So coming to the BoxPlot, BoxPlot is a very basic plot which is used to visualize the distribution of the data. Okay, how the data is distributed, these all the to check the distribution only, right? We are using plots and all, and we have a ViolinPlot also. Okay, and we have a distribution plot, dist-plot, which will show the distribution of a variable, a single variable. So how the data is distributed. Okay, sepal width. So sepal width we have taken. So how it is distributed, that means its density was measured. Okay, dist plot. And we also have a pair plot. This pair plot, what it will do, it will plot multiple bivariate distributions in a data set. Multiple bivariate in this, multiple means many plots, bivariate means we need to, it will take x-axis and y-axis, both axes. I can show. Okay, here you can see bivariate in the sense x-axis it has taken, for this it is sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, right? The same way sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width we have. So this is how for each and every variable, so it will take the x-axis and it will take the y-axis, and then it will show the distribution of the both. So all these diagonal things are the univariate analysis, and the rest are bivariate. And I have given you over here, right, species. So that's why it is coming 3 colors. So as we have 3 species. Okay. So hope you got an idea about what is Seaborn and how we plot the graphs over here, and what are the uses of multiple plots we have till now. So these and all, you actually understands all these things in depth when we are practically using it in some things. So I'm just giving a basic idea of what Seaborn has and all. So hope you like the video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.